Well, it's all changed with our weather. It is cooler, cloudier and wetter. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Monday.
Technically, they're going to space.
Technically, not literally.
Yeah, that's told you, see. Well, it's actually, it's had bad flooding, actually, hasn't it?
Yeah, and that is actually heading its way across Europe as well. So, yeah, all over the weekend, there was and will take a little while until it subsides. And we have had this very heavy rainfall thanks to Storm Olivia. 60 millimetres of rain in just a few hours, the entire month's worth of rainfall in just a few hours. It's now clearing away from the Canary Islands, but it has its sights set on Mallorca and Ibiza as we head through the next few days. So that is definitely one to watch. Where it is still very high elsewhere, back to moderate or low. So let's see how things pan out as we head through the next 7 days. Now, our 7-day outlook, where our weekend is always in view. And we look across the north of the UK, first of all, Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern areas of England. This line is where our temperatures should be, and they stay around about average all week. So it's not cool, but like I said, it feels cooler compared to where we were last week. Percentage chance of rainfall. You can see weather symbols look wet every day, but that doesn't mean we're going to see a washout every day. Today and tomorrow, scattered showers. The heaviest days of rain are Wednesday and Friday, but in between, we will see some sunshine. Fortunes further south of England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days. Again, looking at our temperatures compared to where they should be for the time of year. We're still above average, and we stay above average all week, but just not as warm as it was last week. A bit of a roller coaster ride with weather. Today is fine and dry in the southeast, showers tomorrow, and then a settle from midweek onwards. Good morning to you. The weather changed over the weekend. It turned cooler, it turned cloudier and wetter. That theme continues for the next few days because low pressure moved in. It actually brought some pretty heavy rain and flooding to the Canary Islands, set to move through western areas of the Mediterranean in the coming days. And low pressure linked into the UK brings cloudier, cooler conditions. It starts today in the west with a band of rain, but the east holds on to the sunshine and some of that warmth that we had last week. The heaviest rain will be through Wales and the southwest of England all day long with that embedded thunderstorms here. A lot of rain in a short space of time. We haven't seen any for a while. Scotland and Northern Ireland, sunny spells and scattered showers, so hit and miss here. You'll see how much cooler it is here, 11 to 14 degrees in the west, but still with the sunny spells in the east, it's still mild. We could get it to 18 or 19 degrees today. Pollen levels dropping where we have the cooler weather, still very high across the south and east. Overnight tonight it is cloudy and wet, and it sets us up for a mixed day again tomorrow with more heavy rain in the west.